Forged from steel and human ingenuity, this is the modern warship, a sovereign of the ocean.
From silent steel to living machine, this is where the warship first takes shape.
With every beam placed, the skeleton of the warship grows stronger. Steel is not just formed, it is commanded.
Here, steel is not just cut, it is shaped into destiny.
This steel is no longer raw material. It now knows its destiny.
This defines the warship's balance. If this is wrong, everything fails.
If this steel can endure violence, it can survive war.
This molten alloy will form the spinning core of the warship's engine.
This blade will push a steel giant through the ocean.
These lines will carry the fuel that powers the warship's heart.
Every deck strengthens the warship's body.
This is the warship's outer skin, piston, built to endure fire and force.
This alignment determines the warship's true balance.
The warship receives its heart. This system controls the flow of life through the ship.
Light brings life within.
These spaces will become home for those who sail aboard her.
From darkness to readiness, the warship comes alive.
This protective skin shields the warship against salt, time, and the ocean.
Now she receives her eyes.
Here lies silent fire, Fierce, waiting beneath the deck.
This gives the warship its teeth.
This is the mind of the warship. Elodin, awakening into command.
Radio check, 1-2.
Testing primary communications.
These antennas connect the warship to fleets, satellites, and command beyond the horizon.
Even in darkness, she endures. Now she receives her identity.
The sea approaches.
A name, a number, a presence.
And the ocean lifts her. Control is tested. Precision confirmed.
She sees farther than the eye ever could.
Engine response verified. Now she unleashes her power against the sea.
These are the people who carry her into the unknown.
Weapons secure. Launch ready.
She was built to survive pressure and distance.
From air or sea, her presence is absolute.
Built by their hands, strengthened by their will. This is how a naval giant is born.